What's up, y'all? Got a huge update. The Fan Clubs app is live in app stores after a year's worth of rejections. We finally made it through, um, and it can be downloaded now on the App Store for iPhone or iPad with the Google Play version. Not too far out. Still some bugs to go, but that's in beta. You could join that below. What Fan Clubs does differently than other platforms is it's a community platform, community network, whatever you want to call it, built entirely for fans and around fandom. We have a member who just shared one of their games that is coming out on Steam. It's available for wishlist. I tested a demo of the game and it was pretty fun. But it's cool to have a couple regulars coming by. It's enough validation for me to show that it's adding value to at least a few people. See, one of the big things I set out with Fan Clubs, set out to achieve, was to unify the experience so members and creators and just fans in general have one place that can bring everything together. So for creators, that might be having paid memberships or private communities where everything just lives in one platform. No need to start on one platform such as Patreon and then send your audience or your patrons to a Discord server via a link where roles get synced. It's a lot of cognitive load for not only the creators to manage two different platforms, but the fans and the people that support you for having to go between two. And with the Discord, without getting too long-winded, when communities scale to a certain point, a certain number of members, Discord becomes extremely tough to manage. It's not built for that kind of scale. It was built with for voice chat, for gaming communities, for smaller groups. And I've seen firsthand what happens when a community gets too large for Discord and it becomes a chaotic mess. I mean, it's not a community. It's just a giant chat room. Fan Clubs is built to solve that. It's built in a way where long form content lives. If you go a week without visiting, it's possible to catch back up. The way that the content works is it's chronological and stuff gets bumped to the top when there's new activity. Same goes for your clubs. When there's new activity in your clubs, you see them at the top of the your clubs feed. It's all about what's relevant for you, content that you follow, content that you participated in, clubs that you join, that kind of stuff. You should have full control over that. And with Fan Clubs, you do. If you're still here at this point, I'm asking you a big favor. Give me a like on this video if you like what I'm trying to do here. Give the app a download or just visit the website at fanclubs.org. I'm going to try to kick this off as a regular series. I'm going to try to give regular updates on the app, get some community events going. I would love to get a mock draft before the NFL draft with just like a fan mock draft where everybody represents their team. This is something that we could build together. This is not VC funded. Again, this is just me trying to build something that works for everybody and breaks the mold of what social media has become with algorithms and engagement bait and that kind of stuff. So super excited to have it on the App Store. Like I just chilling out for a minute. Like now that I did, it's just like, I don't know where to go from here. Like I need the users. I need real life examples and use cases so I could continue to build on it and improve on it. Like I could only do so much on my own with a few members, and I appreciate the few members that we have more than you know. Like I've gotten so much great feedback, but I look forward to seeing what everybody has to share. All right, I guess my camera had other plans about this video. It died in the middle of my last segment, but I think I got most of the picture across. You should go and download the Fan Clubs app from the App Store. Hope to see you in the community. And don't forget to subscribe so you can get future updates as they come through. All right, thanks for checking it out. Talk soon and peace.